Welcome to Nifty Trade Setup channel. So we'll discuss what happened on Friday and what we can expect from the market on Monday. I really missed a trading opportunity on Saturday because I was expecting the market for only 2 hours, but I think I missed that communication about that it will be trading for the entire day on Saturday, and it's going to be only now we know that it is so market is opening on Monday at 2:30 and then closing at 5 o'clock. So we have only 2.5 hours of trading on Monday. So let's discuss what we can look at it and what was expected. It's let's if you see the chart. So what we had said is, if market can sustain 30 minutes above this one, we can wait for a deep and reversal. But if somebody has taken at the first candle, because first candle close to 50-60 points, I would not recommend this kind of thing. So market has taken a dip and reversal. So took a entry here, and then in few minutes it came and hit a stop loss. So the market remained sideways. So no entry after that. So Friday was just entry and a stop loss there. So I did not trade for this Saturday. So coming to what can expect market is that so now if you look at in the 30 minutes, I think market is now kind of formed a channel and then a flag. Possibly they were expecting the market to come down to 21 to 47 is what is expected in the market. If it close, so how the strategy should be that if there is a gap up, so if it, market should not go above this and close. So market should never go and close above this one if it is having this channel to be, or the flag is to be like valid. Market should not go and close above this one. So if it opens and closes, gap up and open and closes, market will definitely, we can expect moving more going up actually. But any chance if it closes this point and then could not close and see a rejection, can go for short, and definitely we can hold it for further. Definitely for 100 points coming down to this, at least to the low of this one. That is a second trade. Third trade is if there is a gap down and if you see a first candle trade. So at the end of the first candle trade, you can go for short. The target is 21 to 40 is the target. I'm looking for it. So these are the three trades that we have it. So only buy possibilities above this previous day high. Once it closes above a candle close above that one, we can go for long. Otherwise, we are looking for only short opportunity in the Nifty, and the maximum target I'm seeing is 21 to 44 or to 40 is what I'm seeing it. But if this continues to go down, so market the next targets will be huge if it starts going down. The immediate target, next target would be 21,000, and then the next target is 20,670, 690 is the target. We have it in this expiry. We might expect market coming here if this target is coming again. If it starts moving down, we are having big targets in coming days. So yeah, only possible thing of buying scenario is 21,720 above. We are seeing buying scenario. Otherwise, we are seeing only the sell scenario for this Nifty. So coming to Bank Nifty, yeah, so it is in the box. So if you look at it, it is in the box. Market is kind of in the range side only. So the possibilities are, as I usually say, that in the box trading. So either it has to break for holding it for longer period, either on the upside or on the downside, so that we can hold it for at least for the confident trades we can get it. Otherwise, if you are looking for a trade inside the box, so let the mark come to the bottom of it, and if you see a bounce, go for it long, and at the top of the thing, if you see a rejection, go for short. So these are the four trades we can see it. Market either has to break the box on either side to go for trades accordingly, or if we see at the top of a rejection or at the bottom of a bounce, so we can go for trades. So Bank Nifty is very simple. If it is in between, better to avoid because market can take any direction uh, to move in different directions, right? So if it is flat and then coming and closing, definitely not okay, because even if it breaks anytime, it will come inside and then come down. So market has to gap up, open here, and then close it above this one so that we can go for long. If it will not see closing above this one, see a rejection, definitely we can expect touching bottom of the like box, right? So this is what we have trades for Bank Nifty. Reliance. So now again, it is exactly, it is looks like a similar to it. It is looking like a kind of a channel breakout. It is given for 30 minutes actually. So market we are expecting to touch 2657. And if this flags to be obeyed, and then market not breaking 20,066, if there is a gap up and then market opens and closes goes and close above, I think this flag will become invalid. So if market flat and closes to this number 2703 or 27000, if it breaks, we can expect a target of 2655. This is what I have, could have it if it is a gap down or market below 2700. So either way we can get this target. Otherwise, it has to break this 2766 for market to go up, which will be again in a bullish pattern, which market will go definitely for 100 points. So 20 points per line. So this is what I could see. So flat and gap down closing below this yesterday's low, target of this flag. And if it is 2767 above gap up, we can expect buy, and we can expect market going up for 20 points. But if you see a rejection near 2675, go for short. 20 points is the target. So these are I have it for these three scripts like Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Reliance. So if you are able to understand this, if you are able to see value of the analysis and then able to take trades, you can put a like button to this one, and then you can share with your friends for subscribing to this channel. And you can also subscribe if you are not done so. So this is what I have it for today. Thanks for watching this video.